Hello students, today we are going to start case study questions. You know these questions are very important and you can get 16 marks because these are of total 16 marks and each question contain 4 marks, 4 marks question will come in exam. Okay, so these are very important for getting bonus marks, extra boosting in your maths paper, and CBSEs include first time for your batch. See here what are the case study questions. First question is, a monkey is hanging with a loose cable and thus cable forms a quadratic curve function like this. This is monkey and this is the loose cable. Let's say this is x axis and this is y axis. Yes, then after what is given? Let y is equal to 3x square minus 13x plus 12 is the quadratic function representing the parabolic path of the cable. What is meaning of parabolic path? That U-shaped path is called the parabolic path. This is the path of quadratic function or quadratic polynomial. Its quadratic equation is given by this 3x square minus 12x plus minus 13x plus 12 equal to 0. Now what is our first question? The sum of the roots of quadratic equation this. What we know for the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is minus b upon a. Here a is your 3. I am writing a is 3. B is your minus 13 and C is 12. And what is the sum of the roots? Minus b upon a. So minus of minus 13 upon a is what? 3. So minus minus will become plus. Answer will be 13 upon 3. Come on the next. Come on second part. If one of the root of quadratic equation is 3 by 2, what is the meaning? Alpha is equal to 3 by 2. ये क्लियरली आपको दे रखा है. और क्या दिया है देखो, सम ऑफ द रूट्स इज माइनस 1. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सम ऑफ रूट्स? इन दोनों का सम. इट मीन्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा. अगर अल्फा और बीटा दो रूट्स हैं तो उसमें से एक रूट तो 3 by 2 बिल्कुल क्लियर दे रखा है. और क्या दिया है देखो आप, सम ऑफ रूट्स इज माइनस 1. इट मीन्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल टू माइनस 1. अब वो क्या पूछ रहा है देखो आप, देन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज. हाउ कैन वी गेट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन? हम क्या जानते हैं, कैसे जानते हैं? देखो, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा इंटू एक्स प्लस अल्फा बीटा. बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट इन इक्वेशन फॉर्म, पुट इक्वल टू 0. Okay, now in this equation I am coming, because alpha is given to you 3 by 2. So on place of alpha I am putting 3 by 2. Alpha is 3 by 2 here. Alpha 3 by 2 plus beta is equal to minus 1. Then what will be beta? Minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Take 2 as the LCM. 2 is LCM. So minus 2 will come. And 2 upon 2 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So this will be minus 5 by 2. Okay. This is your minus 5 by 2. Now come on. Put values here. Put value of alpha and beta here. X square minus alpha is your 3 by 2. Beta is your minus 5 by 2. X plus alpha is your 3 by 2. Beta is minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, so 2 is the LCM. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 upon 2. and plus into minus is minus, 5 3 is 15 upon 4 equal to 0. Okay, at last if I take LCM 4, then what will come? This is 4x square minus minus plus. Okay, again 4x will come and minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, then you see send minus 4 that side. 4x square plus 4x minus 15 equal to 0 into 4 is what? 0. So 4x square plus 4x minus 15 equal to 0. This is 4x square plus 4x minus 15 equal to 0. B is your answer. Come on third part. Product of roots of this equation is this. You have to find the product of roots. A is given to you 3, B is minus 13, and C is what? Clearly C is what? 12. And what is the meaning of product of roots? Product of roots alpha into beta. This will be C upon A. C is what? 12. A is what? 3. So answer is coming 4. What is the answer? D is your answer. Come on the next part. You have to find the roots of quadratic equation. You have to find the roots of quadratic equation. Now see, roots, how can you get it? We can get roots easily by middle term splitting method. This is 3x square minus 13x plus 12 equal to 0. Just you see, if you multiply, then you will get 36 here. So after product what I want 36, and after addition what I want 13. After addition I want 13. So I want one number whose product is 36 and addition is 13. This should be 9 plus 4. 9 4s are 36 and 9 into 4. Then what will come? 3x square 9 plus 4 into x plus 12 equal to 0. So what will be the meaning? 3x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. So you can take out make it two pairs, like 3x square minus 9x and minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. Take out 3x common, x minus 3 clearly. Now what can I take out here? 4 minus 4, x already this, then take out minus 4, then minus 3 will be 0. Then x minus 3 is here common. What is remaining? 3x minus 4 equal to 0. For the zeros of this, what will come? X minus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 3. 3x minus 4 equal to 0. 3x is equal to 4. When 4 goes that side, then this is 4 by 3. So two roots are 3 and 4 by 3. See which is the answer? A is your answer. Yes, fifth part. This is fifth part. You have to do only 4 parts in exam. The quadratic equation whose sum and products of the roots are 8 and 16. What is the meaning? Alpha plus beta is equal to 8 and alpha beta is equal to 16. And what will be the equation? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. You want equation, no? That is why equal to 0 form. Then what is alpha plus beta? That is minus 8. And what is sum of product of zeros? 16 it is given. So this is the answer, no? X square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. So like in this way, you can get all these 5 questions very easily You have to make it like take a patience and get all the answers very carefully.